Hey, how's it going there, YouTube? This is your boy Lewis. Today I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to install this Kingston 480 gigabyte solid state drive on a Toshiba satellite. So this particular laptop already has a hard drive, but it has a standard SATA hard drive, which is 1 terabyte. But it does make a lot of difference because these hard drives run a lot faster, and they're definitely a lot more reliable. So as you can see, 10 times much faster, 480 gigabyte Kingston hard drive. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this baby on here right now, and that's coming up right now. Okay, now as you can see with this particular kind of laptops, which I mentioned to you, this is a Toshiba satellite. This is the model number right here, which is the C55D A5120. I love these kind of laptops for the reason that every time you have to go ahead and change something, either a RAM or a hard drive, it comes in pretty handy, really easy. You really don't have to do much all other than just go ahead and remove one screw, as you can see right there. With other laptops with other brands like HP's and other brands, you have to remove on an average about 15 to 20 screws. As with this one, you only have to remove one screw. So let's go ahead and do that. All right. As you can see, I'm only removing one screw only. Okay. As you can see, this is the hard drive that's in there already. Right here, you have 2 RAM sticks, each one of them being 8 gigs. So this laptop has 16 gigs of RAM with 1 terabyte of hard drive, which is a standard SATA hard drive. And what I'm doing is replacing it with a solid state drive. So okay, now the only thing I do is just give it a little push right there, and as you can see, it comes out fairly easy. And this is the 1 terabyte hard drive. Let's see where it's at. You should be able to. This is the area where it says 1 terabyte. Okay, we'll put that baby right there, and we're gonna go ahead and pop this one open. The only thing you do is you kind of push this little edge right here towards the back, and then that's it. And as you can see, this is a Kingston 480 gig solid state drive. Let's see the difference. As you can see, exact same size and everything, but this one is a little heavier than this one. This is a lot much lighter. And what I'm gonna go ahead and do is use this one as an external hard drive. I'll go ahead and format it and use this one as an external hard drive. So I'll go ahead and put that one there. And now all you do is put that one in there just like that. Make sure it pops in there just right. I just kind of lift it a little bit. And as you can see, you make sure these 2 plugs go nice and tight in there. And all you do is just give it a little push. That's it. And then right after that, we're all set to go. I'll go ahead and put the cover back. And then we'll go ahead and put the screw back in there. And that was it. That was really easy, extremely fast. no hassles or anything like that. And this particular laptop is now ready to go ahead and get an operating system. All right, so we want to be able to verify that it is recognizing the hard drive, which it is, as you can see it right there. Now we go to the boot option. This is going to vary from system to system, of course. Yours may not look exactly the same, but if it is strictly on a Toshiba, it's going to be pretty much like this particular laptop. It's probably about 5 years old, so it uses master boot wrecker type of BIOS. So all right, let's go ahead and as I mentioned to you, I already have the Windows 10 operating system right here on this USB thumb drive. So let's it's in there. Now let's just go ahead and exit out. Okay, as you can see right here, it's getting ready. It detected the thumb drive. And it's gonna go through the setup. Now I have another video where it shows on how to install the okay, now after putting in the thumb drive, it's ready to go ahead and load the operating system. So language to install, just go ahead and leave that as is. Time and currency format as is. The keyboard as is. Next. Install now. Now I will go ahead and do a video on how to download the official Windows 10 from Microsoft's website using the download tool. So the setup is starting right now. All right, now let's set the terms. Next, advanced settings, I'm sorry. And as you can see right here, one more time is detecting the hard drive. So we'll just go ahead and click install right here. This is where you want to go ahead and click if you want to go ahead and create a partition. I'm not going to do that because I have several external hard drives where I'm currently doing backups. So I'll just go ahead and leave everything as is. Then you go ahead and click next. And then right now the installation of Windows has just started. So there we go. That's about it right now. So I've showed you the installation of the actual hard drive, as well as how to boot up with the USB thumb drive using your operating system right there. So, and right now it's just gonna go through the installation, which should probably take anywhere about 20 to 30 minutes or so. And that's it. We have a new operating system on a new solid state drive. So thank you very much for watching. I will see you on the next video. If you have any comments, questions, please let me know down on the comment section. Take care. Peace.